Here are all the pieces you'll need for the table assembly. Everything is included except the adjustable wrench. Start by placing the spider piece in line with the holes on the bottom of the table. Next, take one of your 8 screws and apply both washers, starting with the smaller one. Screw all 8 screws into the spider piece. You can tighten them by hand to start. Now take your Allen key and tighten the screws completely. Next, you will take your rod and attach one of the 2 large bolts. Turn the bolt until it's about 2 inches up the rod. Then apply both washers, once again starting with the smaller one. Twist the rod into the center hole of the spider piece and turn the bolt down to the bottom. Now take your wrench and tighten the bolt completely. From here, you will take your pole and slide it over the rod. Make sure to line up the notches on the pole with the teeth on the spider piece. This will keep the pole locked in place. Now take the base and place it over the pole. Once again, make sure to line up the notches on the pole with the teeth on the base. The X of the base should line up with the X of the spider piece. Attach the last washers and bolt, starting with the bigger washer first. Using your wrench, make sure this last bolt is completely tightened. Your table can now be flipped over and is ready for use.